Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset your Fliki account password. First, open the Fliki app on your phone. On the main screen, you will see options like sign in with Apple, Google or email. Now with Google or Apple, you don't need a password, just tap the same option to log in. But if you have signed in with the email, tap on it. Within it, enter the registered email address. Once entered, tap on the next option. And here you can see that the app does not show a forget password button. So here is what you need to do. Open your phone browser like Chrome and Safari. Within the search bar, tap Fliki. From the search result, please make sure to tap on the Fliki official page. Once the official website opens, tap the menu icon at the top right corner and select login option. Within it, choose continue with email. Then enter your email address. Once entered, tap next. And on the screen, you will see the forget password option. Tap it and again enter the email address if it is not entered. But for me, it is already entered, so I don't have to enter it again. Then tap send verification code button. Now Fliki will send a password reset email to your inbox. Open your email app and find the email from the Fliki. Here you can just copy the code and again go back to the Safari web page and enter the verification code within the code field and tap on verify option. Now you will be redirected to a secure page where you can create a new passport. You can enter your new passport and confirm it by tapping on the finish button. After that, you can just go back to your Fliki app and continue with the email option, and please make sure to enter the new passport that you have just created. Once entered, tap on the submit button, and that's it. You have successfully reset your Fliki passport using your phone. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.